Hello, everyone, and welcome back to yet another deep dive. Today, we're diving into a critical issue for America's future: how we're addressing the skills gap in manufacturing. With billions being invested in domestic manufacturing plants, there's a massive demand for skilled workers. But there's a problem. The current workforce doesn't have the necessary skills to operate the advanced machinery and systems. That's where EON Reality's comprehensive program comes in.
Exactly. The program uses EON's AI-powered XR platform to provide immersive, hands-on training. This isn't just another classroom setup. It's a system that simulates real-world manufacturing environments, giving workers the experience they need without the risk. The technology accelerates training by 4x and creates measurable results in a fraction of the time.
And it's not just about technical skills. The program also offers a clear pathway to career opportunities in manufacturing, with AI helping to identify and guide exceptional talent, regardless of their background. This AI-driven approach personalizes each learning journey, ensuring workers get the right skill set for the jobs available in their region.
It's a game changer for areas that need it the most. Whether it's rural communities or underserved urban areas, the program ensures that local workers can access cutting-edge training and directly connect to job placements in the manufacturing sector.
The program is also a win for the local economy. It's creating thousands of high-value jobs, bringing new investment, and reversing the brain drain by providing career pathways in local communities. In fact, it's projected to create over 100,000 jobs and add $10 billion in economic value across key U.S. manufacturing states.
It's not just about manufacturing jobs either. It's about ensuring America maintains its competitive edge in the global market. EON's program isn't just filling job vacancies, it's building a skilled, adaptable workforce capable of meeting the challenges of tomorrow's manufacturing industry.
The future of U.S. manufacturing is bright, and EON Reality's program is at the heart of it. Let's turn the skills gap into an opportunity gap and bring manufacturing back to the forefront of economic prosperity. Thank you so much for joining us on yet another deep dive. And remember, keep learning, keep exploring, and keep diving deep, everyone.